My name is Lauren Gaw, and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. If you haven't noticed, Girl Scout cookie season is upon us, and one of my favorite Girl Scout cookies is Do-si-dos. They're the peanut butter sandwich cookies. And oddly enough, today is actually National Peanut Butter Lovers Day, and since I am a peanut butter lover, we're gonna celebrate by making a cannabis version of these peanut butter sandwich cookies. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your oatmeal, flour, salt, and baking soda, and whisk together, then set it aside. Then, in a larger mixing bowl, beat together your regular butter, cannabis butter, peanut butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until it's nice and creamy. Then add in the egg and the vanilla and beat until it's combined. Now gradually add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and make sure that it's well incorporated. Using a small cookie scoop to make sure that all of your cookies are the same size, scoop out your cookie dough balls and place them about 2 inches apart on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Bake those for about 10 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Place the cookies on a cooling rack to let them cool completely. While your cookies are cooling, we are going to make the peanut butter filling, which is my favorite part of these cookies. So we are just gonna beat together our peanut butter, and milk, and then slowly add the powdered sugar. Mix until it is completely combined and nice and fluffy. If the mixture is too dry, you can add a little bit more milk, and if it's too wet, you can add a little bit more powdered sugar. So once your cookies are completely cool, we can start making our sandwiches. I am using the same scoop that I used to form my cookie dough balls. I think it is the perfect ratio of peanut butter filling to the cookies. So go ahead and scoop your peanut butter filling and put it on the back side of one of your cookies. I like to use the other side of my scoop to just flatten it out and then sandwich on the other cookie. Smush it down gently to get all of the peanut butter filling to reach the edges, and then you have one of these amazing peanut butter sandwich cookies. Oh, they smell so good. I love peanut butter. This might be my favorite thing that I've made so far. I've baked my cookies so they're a little bit crisp on the edges, but they're still really soft. So when you bite into them, it's a nice soft cookie sandwich. But if you do want them crispier, you can cook it for a minute or two longer. You guys know that I love a nice chewy cookie, so this is perfect to me. These cookies have such an amazing peanut butter smell and flavor, but it's not overpowering. And this peanut butter filling is amazing. One of my favorite things about making these peanut butter sandwich cookies at home is that they're a lot bigger than the Girl Scout cookies that you get. But keep in mind that I dosed mine so that one sandwich would be one dose. Usually when I make a batch of cookies, I will make one cookie, one dose. But this time I made them half the strength so you can eat a whole sandwich. Who wants to eat half of a cookie sandwich? I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.